Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a versatile sauce. This foundational method ensures a consistently delicious result, perfect for countless dishes. We will focus on creating a smooth, rich base that can be easily adapted. By following these straightforward steps, you will gain confidence in your sauce-making abilities, transforming everyday meals into something special. This only way provides a reliable starting point for culinary creativity. The secret to our essential sauce lies in precise ratios. Start with 2 tablespoons of a neutral fat, like unsalted butter, melted gently in a saucepan. Then, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, cooking it for about 1 minute to create a pale roux. This equal part foundation is crucial for thickening. Next, slowly pour in 1 cup of cold liquid, such as milk or vegetable broth, whisking continuously to prevent lumps. Once your roux is ready, the cooking process is straightforward. Continue whisking vigorously as you slowly incorporate the cold liquid, ensuring no lumps form. Maintain medium heat, bringing the mixture to a gentle simmer. Allow the sauce to cook for about 2 minutes, stirring occasionally until it reaches your desired thickness. It should coat the back of a spoon beautifully. This careful simmering develops flavor and perfects the texture. This foundational sauce is incredibly versatile. For a creamy cheese sauce, stir in 1/2 cup of shredded cheddar or Gruyere until melted. To create a savory gravy, use beef or chicken broth as your liquid and season with black pepper and a pinch of thyme. You can also infuse it with garlic, onion powder, or a dash of hot sauce for an extra kick. Experiment with different liquids and seasonings to make it uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.